That way.
Wow, man. Can you believe that?
You had the camera on?
Yeah. He was spinning like crazy, man. It's probably we've got the moneyest we've ever had them, I think. I mean, you think it's just where them leaves have been sitting there?
No, but that was thick.
Look behind you. Holy cow, that thing's slinging some mud.
I always like this place.
Up here on the left.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, I guess it was when we bought our second house.
Yeah.
I think this went foreclosure, but you could have bought this house.
That had that building and all?
Didn't have the building, but had this 32 acres for $510.
Oh, wow. When was this?
This was been a while back, but back then, that was like tons of money.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. $500,000 was like, you had to be a millionaire to buy
I
it.
had to be a doctor, you know?
Yeah, that's right.
But
So,
now I look back and I pass it every time, I'm like, dang, that would have been a deal now.
now, I think that little road that goes back up behind there, behind that house, there was a farm back there, and I bought a Saturn from this lady one time. I don't know if I told you or not, but the yard was dug up, you know, real bad. And I asked her, I said, did your septic tank go bad or something? She said, no, hogs done that.
Oh, really?
Dude, it looked like an excavator had been there. There was something in that ground they wanted. Look at that joint on this hill.
I used to have a good little trail that went through there.
You reckon it growed up, kinda?
No, it still looks like it's pretty good.
Yeah. Was that for your Raptor?
Yeah.
It's got rutted out pretty good, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, I fell in the rut.
I need to bring my dozer over here and at least fix it where get around it with a side-by-side.
Yeah. This is that county property.
Yeah. I didn't catch it.
It's so neat to be able to go back and look at where you went, you know. It's just a plus for you because you kind of forget about things. I mean, shoot, we got a dang year's worth of video now.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Tornado come through here.
Wow. When was that? Is that one?
Last year.
Yeah. Where was the tree house? Right down there?
That's why I was going this way.
Okay.
I'll show it to you. Ow.
The briars will get you, buddy.
So there's my old house.
Okay, yeah. And it wasn't on your property? Okay. It just so happened you thought, man, that'll be perfect.
And it was. It was awesome. I built this right here. So the tree house used to be
To the right over there a little bit?
Right here in these trees.
Okay.
Right there's where Brandy crashed it down side-by-side down in that hole.
Oh, geez. Really?
Oh, God.
Is it slick again? Making pretty good.
Yeah, this is a cool little place to ride right there.
Oh yeah, that's really cool.
So y'all probably...
We had this sort of like a trail like this.
Right, yeah, this is your jump you made right here, still here.
Oh yeah. Shoot, well, I haven't forgotten about that, man. That's that brings it back right there. We used to soar through the air right there, man.
And it ain't changed, that thing's still there. Let's turn back around.
Okay. I know it. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Them sticks get me, boy.
Oh yeah.
Now I slid a little bit coming down that hill.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put a pipe in there and made me a... Got my tractor, made all that. Oh! That is a little slick. I seen where you slid.
You see where I slid? I almost. I pulled a gut muscle.
I don't see how you didn't crash.
Was it getting nasty sideways?
I seen you going into that
Liam, that tree was close, wasn't it?
So there used to be a water, yeah, right there. They pump water from here to the old house.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh well.
It pumped it up to Granny's house, Granny Lou's.
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Man, I don't see how I didn't whack that tree limb.
Dude, I used to have some of the biggest poplars. Oh, that bank is
So roding away, ain't it?
washed out since they did that grate.
Sure has. I need like a retaining wall or something right there, don't they?
And I had a did you ever come over here when I had my pond?
I think so.
I had a nice pond right there.
What they do, break the dam out?
Yep, I got to come back and get my duck house.
Yeah.
And I took all the dirt right here.
Pushed it up. Where'd you get this dirt? Where'd you get the dirt to build the dam? Like right out of that bank? Right there? Okay. Just use your tractor?
Yeah.
That's swamp right there, ain't it?
Yeah. This is a fun little hill. It used to be a blast on the Raptor too.
Jeez. Start breathing hard here in a minute. It got on. Vines got you. Looks like. Mike can back up a little bit and get it turned loose.
Oh, I can't because it's got the brake on.
Oh, does it? I need a little bit lower gear right here. It's steeper than it looks, ain't it?
Oh, I know. It's a blast if the trail is... Look at that. Oh, Leatherman.
Did the Leatherman get it done?
Cut it in two.
Heck yeah.
Had my brake by end.
It sawed it right in two, didn't it?
Yep.
Whew. Got me to breathing hard, Cody. Your little run and go at it. There you go.
Used to come out.
Had to come down here and saw that other way. Make it a good little ride, won't it? I got too much air in my tires, I think. I'm sliding all over the place. Got that highway air in them. Oops. Do what?
Something didn't look right. That big open, a tree or something fell.
Now this is a good little area right here, ain't it? This is where you kill some deer at.
Yeah, that's where Blakely killed the first one.
Was this here, or did you make all this?
I planted all this.
This road was here though?
Yeah.
What made it wander? Just always here?
Yeah, old Furman K came over here and took a skid steer and made a place to rabbit hunt. But look at the pines. There's some of the big old pines in there.
Yeah, they really are. It could be logged out probably.
You know anybody that does some logging on a small scale?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I got Brandon Pilgrim, fella I know. He told me he would get mine if I ever got ready.
I got to wonder if he'd be interested in getting some of them at the farm before I just bulldoze them.
Probably. You know, if you go down Chastain Road where they logged them trees across from the elementary school on the right, they kind of thinned them.
Yeah.
He did those. He showed them to me because I was like, I kind of want to keep some of mine, so people can't just look straight through and see the house. You know, do it.
Well, and I got a good mind to get some of these thinned.
Yeah, because some of these is big, and some of them they could cut for pulpwood too. You know.
And I got some at the farm. I just wonder if they would push them over and then cut them.
Maybe.
Or I could go in there and push them over.
And then let them come get them.
And just they could cut them and leave the stumps, and I'll get rid of the stumps.
I remember this little area right here.
Oh yeah.
Does this go down to the pond?
Yeah.
This is the pond road, ain't it? Or no?
Yeah, we can get to the pond pretty easy with these things.
Oh yeah. This is what these are perfect for, ain't it?
Yeah. I killed a steer right here too.
Did you?
Heck yeah.
Right here in this corner, oh, your feeders fell over, ain't it? Or you leave it?
See my tree stand?
Yeah. Man, this is a perfect little spot, dude.
I want to open it up and plant a nice food plot.
What you put in that? Corn, sweet feed or something in that? Corn.
Well, I usually throw it on the ground, but I ain't a big corn person.
Yeah.
But this is cool to take the kids down here and let them see some deer. But
that's
look,
right.
That's pretty good sized pines now.
Yeah, man. Them things
looks a lot like your place.
Probably 15 years old or something, ain't they? Some of them.
Yeah, every bit of it. Well, they're gonna be older than that, actually.
Yeah, them big ones are maybe 25 years old. They say 15 to 20 is the time to get them, because they'll start dying and falling, you know.
And these ain't never done nothing. Like, we haven't done nothing really.
Just let them grow. Pretty good about it though. Yeah, I got too much air in my tire, man. I can skid around on these needles.
I gotta come and get that out of the way.
Yeah, because that's a good little circle.
Well, that's how we get to the pond.
Oh, okay. We go back left over here.
Yeah, I need to get over there to that trail.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Yeah, that's it.
Felt like I had a stick hung up. Maybe I don't. No, I fell. Go ahead. This little creek down here has a name. 18 Mile Creek.
Yeah. Cut this little trail to about August.
Oh, sweat to death. Oh yeah, here's
somebody's gonna have to come get me.
Here the pond.
Made it.
Made it to the pond. It's like walking Stick Road almost, wasn't it?
Oh, pond's a little.
Oh yeah, a little overflowy, isn't it?
Needs a little.
Check guy out, man. That's cool, ain't it? It's got the pond on it.
Remember how muddy it used to be right here?
Oh yeah, dude. Everywhere, and down there was like super swampy.
Remember, it used to have a big bank. Remember?
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Big old.
Did they bulldoze it out?
Yeah, I guess when they used to have a big old hill right here.
Whoa, that's a little slick. Somebody up in a tree somewhere, probably. Now, some of them holes will swallow you, so remember.
tell you the last time I've been down here.
Years for me, dude. It is slicker than hell up under these leaves, man.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Well.
Is that all she writ? It's slick, ain't it, man? This is how it was down here when we was kids, remember? About hung up too. Why is it so sloppy, man? The leaves. Hold on, I'll help you. You got it now.
Dang.
It's like ice, dude. It's marring up like crazy. You have to get rid of old trail wing, ain't you?
That wing for sure.
Why is it so slick, dude? We probably gonna have to get a run and go at that hill right there.
Damn it.
I think it's just been hundreds of years, you know? Dude, we used to get stuck down here all the time, man. You better give that thing some gas up there. I'm telling you, that stuff's under there. Oh, God. I'm spinning all the way up through here, dude. Look at it.
I didn't think it was that wet.
Wow, man. Can you believe that?
You heard the camera on?
Yeah. He was spinning like crazy, man. It's probably we got the muddiest we've ever had them, I think. I mean, you think it's just where them leaves have been sitting there?
I don't know, but that was thick.
Look behind you. Holy cow, that thing's slinging some mud.
Out of breath.
Stretch it out down through here. Here come the horsepower. Oh yeah. That dang mud is flying off of that thing, man.
68, that's all she got.
68. That's pretty good, dude. No smoke or nothing. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys riding along today. Me and Koty, just a little, you know, a little quiet Sunday afternoon ride. Some local property, private property, and we blazed our own little trail there and went down to some places we hadn't been to in forever when we rode back when we was kids. So just wanted to ride around a little bit quick, you know, did like 60 miles a day, no big deal, just a quiet Sunday ride. So I appreciate you guys riding along. And if you like what you see, maybe click the like button there, and think about subbing to the channel, and leave us a comment down there. I'd like to read what you guys' thoughts are. If you got any ideas for future content, we'll come back with some more soon, guys. Appreciate you guys riding along. Enjoy.